While I was out at the dealership picking up Honda fuel injectors, Jude was fixing up the rigged up exhaust that this... When you see Scotch locks, it really gives you the quality and caliber of the mechanic or the installer, right?
That gives you just the...
And that 2-year-old installed it.
Honestly, I'd rather it be messy wiring than fucking Scotch locks.
So he did the old reducer to 4-inch to 5-inch, and then it was hitting the rear axle and the tailpipes, the sway bar in the back, the tailpipes pointing in a shitty direction. So I said, since we're an exhaust shop, I have a spare U-bend in 5-inch that I just can't have it look this shitty, so we're gonna make it look right.
Yeah, so we sent it.
So many scab ass, half ass, shitty mechanics out
We
here.
sent the exhaust forward probably 2 inches and then up another 2 inches.
Yeah, like Jesus Christ.
And then it got reclocked because before the way it was sitting,
Yeah,
the tip wasn't in a bad position, but the rest of the exhaust was.
that shit's expensive.
I can imagine. That's probably an $80 cube.
That's probably more than that. I forget. I think it was $500 just in materials that I bought just to make
No.
my downpipe on my car in 5-inch.
No.
Here, we'll look it up real quick on my phone.
You know what
What's
we'll
a
do?
5-inch
We'll just
5-inch U-bend?
do it like that.
I'll put
All
duals
the way
on it like this. Hold on, like here. Stick it on that way. That's my dual tailpipe. Yeah, I just want dual tailpipes on my truck. Can you do that?
I love when the people come in with diesels. They're like, "Hey, can you delete this?" Like, yeah, we carry 5-inch exhaust for shits and gigs, right?
It definitely wasn't $80. I know that for a fact. It was way more than that.
No, it's not.
So if you got it from Vibrant,
No, I don't remember where I got it from.
it's $280.
$280
You're looking at like $280.
for a U-bend. That's
For
what?
good stainless. This is just cheap.
That's aluminized exhaust. Yeah.
This is just cheap.
Well,
Probably
yeah, so
Amazon.
what I'm looking at is stainless. So
No.
that's aluminized, so that's a little cheaper than $280.
Probably. I think it was 180 to be
Yeah,
honest with you.
180.
Still, $200 for fucking for this much.
For this. That's,
Like, this is
yeah, for
nothing.
this much.
This is
Hold on,
nothing.
I didn't get my exhaust from my Monte Carlo. That was $1,400,
Well, that's oval.
and that wasn't even a whole system.
yeah, but that's specialty stuff. That's oval exhaust. That's understandable. But still,
All right, so I
it's-
can't have that crap looking like that.
Well, yeah, but I mean, if we cut it here and then cut it like here, that should have a stick up.
It's got to look better than that crap.
Anthony wants his tip looking nice.
Scabs.
You're gonna polish your tip in?
Scabs, scabs,
Polish your
scabs.
tip, man.
This guy was close too.
I mean-
I hope he watches our channel. I see your work. It's pretty shitty.
He probably doesn't know.
Not,
Highly.
but it is not great.
We'll give you an instant parts list of the problems that we have already.
Yeah.